Started my day thinking smooth on a mission, ready for the voyage, locked in my vision. Stepped on the plank, just trying to be driven. Didn't know the vibe would be this unforgiving. Saw the smirks flash, shady laughter in the air. Everybody posturing, nobody playing fair. Was hoping for a crew that would maybe even care. But soon as I arrived, I could feel that cold stare. Pulled up to the dock, yeah, feeling real tense. Eyes on the crew, man, nothing makes sense. Every corner loud, barely space to vent. Guess I rolled up to chaos, this is what they represent. Boots hit the floor, gotta look around. First mate grinning, buddy, known for acting foul. Ain't a straight face in the whole crowd. Every handshake, fishy fake, laughs too loud. Suspicious stares hiding all these shady moves. Loose lips talk, but they never tell the truth. Guess I jumped on a ship with nothing to lose. How many assholes we got on this ship anyhow? Everybody raising hands, they're all showing out. Crew full of trouble, can't keep this thing down. Who's surprised? I'm surrounded by clowns. Surrounded. Can't count 'em. Walk through the deck, man, it's chaos on sight. Somebody's always arguing, words turn into fights. Captain said chill, but they wild for the night. Tried to keep cool, but I'm losing my mind. Count 'em up, can't believe the odds. Is it just me, or has reason been lost? Another day, another mess in the logs. This trip's getting crazy, I'm taking the loss. How many assholes we got on this ship anyhow? Everybody raising hands, they're all showing out. Crew full of trouble, can't keep this thing down. Who's surprised? I'm surrounded by clowns. Surrounded. Can't count 'em. Woke up in my bunk with the drama outside. Heard another movement trying hard to gaslight. Try to lay low, but they always got a bite. Even at breakfast, man, can't get it right. Trying to steer clear, but the gossip stay loud. Someone plotting schemes on the bow and the prow. Mine's always twisted, loyalty in doubt. Just wanna make it off without jumping out. How many assholes we got on this ship anyhow? Everybody raising hands, they're all showing out. Crew full of trouble, can't keep this thing down. Who's surprised? I'm surrounded by clowns.